Muscle Car Corner here, bringing a beautiful 70 Superbird. This car checks all the boxes for me. It's the right color. Could be a 426, but it's 440. Looks like it's a New York State car. Last time it was registered in 78. B5 blue. It's a torque flight. Car is beautiful. Nice restoration on it. Paint is really nice. Car's straight. That's what it's all about right there. Love that decal. Just something about this B5 blue with that white interior, black top. That's a beautiful combination. It's one of my favorite combos, and it looks good on this Superbird. A lot of attention and detail in the engine compartment on this restoration. Very nice work. There's a showing restoration on the vehicle. Didn't have as much rust as I thought it would for a New York vehicle. Cool. It's a broadcast sheet. Breakdown on the inspection tag. That's cool right there. Original paperwork from the original owner. That's super neat stuff there. Nice little 383 RT. I actually like that color. This is a rare car right here. I think it's a 72. Last of the big block 400s. Oddball, but cool. We'll finalize this Superbird, looking good.